Hello and welcome aboard the 2019 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer Coupe. Now this is the sister boat to the ever popular Sundancer 350, but in a coupe format that'll help extend your boating season. We'll talk a little bit about the boat as we walk through, and we'll start here at the transom. Here you'll see your access panel for your shore power and also your freshwater intake. Storage drawers give you plenty of room to store shoes, dock lines, fenders. You'll also notice that the latches that we use here at Sea Ray not only latch your compartments, but they also cam latch, so it makes them nice and tight, so it avoids vibration when you're underway. You'll also see the Fusion stereo speakers here at the rear. So for 2019, Sea Ray has changed all of our audio across the line to Fusion. We'll talk a little bit more about that when we get to the helm. One of the great options that's available on the Sundancer 350 Coupe and the Sundancer 350 is the rear transom gourmet station. As you can see, it gives you the optional electric Kenyan grill and wet bar here at the rear. This gives you plenty of place to hang out, grill in the open with your friends and family. This Sundancer 350 Coupe is equipped with our extended swim platform. This gives you a great space here on the rear to hang out. Also, you'll notice that this is available in teak. We also make it available in SeaDeck, standard marine grade carpet, and also infinity woven carpet. As we move forward into the cockpit, simply slide up and slide open your transom door. You can see your steps that give you access to the bow rail. Here in the cockpit, great social layout. So on your port side, you can see you've got this great U-shaped couch, very comfortable, great for sitting around with friends and family. And then on the starboard side, you've got an additional small seating area as well. Shown here on this boat is the optional teak table. It's also available in the traditional white fiberglass as well. Again, lots of storage under your seating. You also had dedicated storage for your cooler as well. And this is an access panel that gives you access down into your bilge and access to your batteries. Also available in the cockpit is the Cockpit cool box. Keeps beverages and other food nice and cool. And then also the flat screen wall-mounted TV here to the hardtop. This is also where the control is for your optional sunshade. So with this hardtop, we do have the optional Sure Shade. Push of a button that retracts, gives you great sun coverage on the aft of the boat. On the Sundancer 350 Coupe, your battery switch location is under the seat, also with your breaker panel as well. Here at the helm, you've got a very comfortable helm seat with companion capacity. Also a flip-up thigh bolster so you can sit and operate comfortably whether you're sitting or standing here at the helm. As I mentioned before, for model year 2019, Sea Ray has updated all of our stereo systems to the new Fusions unit. With the Premier audio systems, you'll have controls in both the bow, the cockpit, the cabin, at the helm, and also on the transom. We've also updated our electronics packages for 2019. And while the Sundancer 350 Coupe and the Sundancer 350 come standard with your analog gauge package, you can also option for the 9-inch or the 12-inch Go screens from Simrad. In addition, you've got your traditional toggle switches that'll operate your lights, your windlass, your bilge, and other functions on the boat. This boat here is equipped with twin V drives, so it's available in stern drives or V drives. This is the V drive version, but it does have joystick, so it does have a bow thruster, so it makes it very easy to handle when you're operating in and around the marinas, when you're waiting for bridges to open. Joystick really changes how you captain a boat in tight spaces. The Sundancer 350 Coupe is really designed to help extend your boating season, get you out on the water earlier, and let you stay out longer throughout the season. You can see it's got the full glass enclosure, but there's still plenty of ventilation. So both port and starboard side windows open, as well as you can get the optional opening for the hardtop. Push of a button and it retracts. An additional ventilation is provided by the sunroof there that just pops open and creates great airflow throughout the cockpit. Here on the bow, you've got these great sun pads that allow you to lay out and really enjoy the great outdoors. The seating's also flexible here and adjustable. Allows you to pull your backrest up and also sit up instead of just lay down as well. You can also get a full bow filler cushion to close this off and give you one large sun pad here on the bow. Another available option on the Sundancer 350 and the Sundancer 350 Coupe is the windlass anchor system. That allows you to raise and lower your anchor right from the helm. This compartment here on the bow also gives you access to your anchor system in case you need to manually raise or lower your winch. As we enter the cabin below, you'll see the full galley. Ample storage with drawers. Also additional storage under the sink, also with a trash can, your refrigerator, your electric cooktop, and your sink. Also plenty of storage up top as well, and your microwave. As we move to the seating area, you can see a nice table for enjoying your meals, and also the L-shaped couch. The couch also converts to sleep 2 adults comfortably. Simply remove the table, pull the latch, it slides out, and with your filler cushion, now you're ready to sleep 2 more adults. Additionally, you have your shelf for storage, and also 3 cabinets overhead for more storage as well. Here in the V berth, you can comfortably sleep 2 adults as well. There's also additional storage here. Each overhead cabinet provides more storage, as well as behind each mirror, there's additional storage. Your privacy curtain stores nicely here. You can see you have your reading lights, and then also a large closet here, and also your Fusion stereo to control your audio here in the cabin. Here on the port side cabin, you'll see your wall-mounted flat screen television, additional storage cabinets, and then also the seating here gives you access to your MDP panel. This is also where your ignition switches are as well. Also on the port side is access to the head. Now, unique to a 35-foot cruiser, the Sundancer 350 Coupe actually has a full stand-up dry head. That means your shower is completely enclosed, so you don't get the rest of the head wet when you go in for a shower. Down here in the cabin, the designers have done a great job bringing the natural light into the cabin below. Skylight here in the center of the cabin, as well as one over the V berth, and also nice large windows on the hull side, both on the starboard and the port side. Then here in the aft of the cabin, you'll see another flat-mounted wall-mount TV, as well as an additional seating area. The seating area also converts. Simply slide this out, use your filler cushions, and sleep 2 more adults here in the aft. So between the aft sleeping area, the cabin sleeping area, and then the forward berth, you can comfortably sleep 6 adults. Also here aft is a comfortable seating area, additional closet storage as well, more overhead storage, and also some small shelves and cabinets with some port side windows. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you going through the Sundancer 350 Coupe here with Sea Ray. For more details, please visit searay.com.